My name is sethkbani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright guys, so let's step into Photoshop, and then let's also go and then drag our image in there. Now I don't know the image you want to use. I'm going to leave this in the description for you as well. Whatever image you want to use is very cool. It's still going to create a very nice Fractalius effect for you. So let's just say we are going to use this. I want you to click over here on the lock, just duplicate it, and then click over here. We are using this particular one. Go to filter, and then this is the red fill, and then this is Fractalius. Now I know you don't have this by default in your Photoshop, and so I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to download. And then once you download that particular file, there's going to be a video in there. I want you to watch the video to the end first, understand it, and then once you are done installing it, let's continue with the tutorial. And so you click on Fractalius, and then just feel free to play around with these particular sliders. Just play around with it. Alright, so let's just say this is quite cool for me. You can click on OK, and then it's going to create that effect for you. Awesome. Now you can do this with your portraits, you can do this with any image. Alright guys, so if you love this tutorial, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. I love you all guys. Please see you in the next tutorial. Peace.